Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to be building another snowflake. This requires 6 pieces of paper which are 7 centimeters square, so keep pausing the video while I do the demonstration so you can make the 6 as you're going along. But before we jump into it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will reply to them. I really look forward to your comments, so let's jump straight into it. Okay, so what we want is an A4 piece of a 7 centimeter piece of paper, and we want to fold that in half like so, and then open it up again. Then we want to bring down one corner like so, and then again on the other side, and then open it up again. Then what we want to do is to bring down the corner again to the fold line we've just created like so, and then bring in the corners like so, and fold them down. Now what you want to do is you want to bring this side over to this central fold line like this, and score it down, and the same with the other side as well. Bring that over and score that down as well, so it looks like you've got a candle shape with a triangle on top. Next, what you want to do is you want to bring the right side up at an angle over to the left side like so, and score that down, and then open up, and then open up again, and open up again. Next, what you want to do is you want to bring this corner here up to the first fold line like so, and bring this corner here to butt up to the corner we've just done, and fold that down flat like so. Next, what you want to do is you want to grab this flap here and pull that back and down like so, and fold that one over the top of it and score that down. Next, what you want to do is you want to bring this half over like so, score that down, and then bring this corner up to this corner like so. So we're bringing this corner up to that corner. Then we want to bring the flap, triangle flap that we just brought over, back on itself to there. Then pick the piece of paper up and fold it back on itself so that it looks something like that. I'll repeat that. So you get the piece of paper, turn it over and fold it back on itself. Once you've done that, open it up again and pull this flap out so it looks something like that. So next, what we want to do is we want to locate this little hole on the side that we see there, and you want to poke your bit of paper into that hole. Like so. Pick up your next piece, find the flap on this one, just here, and tuck in this one. Like so. Then what you want to do next is fit the last one inside the last hole. Can take a little bit of doing because you're trying to wiggle it about and you're fighting against the others. Once it's in, lay it down and push it down flat and fold up the center point on each of the snowflake petals and push it down again and just straighten it up. And there you have your snowflake all completed. Well guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.